Austin Tower, FedEx 1432 Heavy, passing 5.4 for the Cat 3 ILS, 18 left.
FedEx 1432 Heavy, Austin Tower, 18 left, RVR, touchdown 1,400, midpoint 600, roll out 1,800, 18 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 18 left, FedEx 1432 Heavy.
Tower, Southwest 708, we're short of 18 left, we're ready.
Southwest 708, Austin Tower, runway 18 left, RVR 1,200, midpoint 600, roll out 1,600. Flight heading 170, runway 18 left, clear for takeoff, traffic 3 mile final is a heavy 767.
Okay, 170, cleared for takeoff, 18 left, copy the traffic, Southwest 708.
Tower, confirm FedEx 1432 Heavy, clear to land on 18 left.
FedEx 1432 Heavy, that is affirmative, sir, 18 left, you are clear to land, traffic departing prior to route 737.
Roger.
Southwest 708, confirm on the road.
Rolling now.
Southwest aboard, FedEx is on the go.
Southwest 708, roger, you can turn right when able.
Negative.
FedEx 1432, climb maintain 3000, when able you can turn left heading 080.
Wind turn to 080 3000, FedEx 1432 Heavy.
Southwest 708, you can turn left heading 170. FedEx 1432, turn left heading 360, contact approach on the 125.32.
2532 left 360, FedEx 1432 Heavy.